Okay, so I have the belt up here. I want to pull it fairly tight, come up around the pulley. And then we'll bring it back down this other side, again with the teeth toward the bar with no twists. And we'll run it down this side and connect the spring and the bolt. Put the bolt through, and it looks like I'm going to have enough room to where that bolt is not hitting this other bracket. So you can see how I have the washer, the spring, and the bolt. And then I'm just going to start tightening this up till I can get the slack out of the belt.